To our dear teachers, General PTA President, Mr. Romeo Quillo, third and fourth year PTA officers, led by Mr. Sammy Posadas, to our third and fourth year section advisors and subject teachers, to our Supreme Student Council officers and their advisors, Mr. Reynante Palacio and Mrs. Jocelyn Servidad, to our juniors and seniors, to our guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This is a special evening for all of us, especially for the juniors and seniors. The VIPs are the very important person in this occasion, the juniors and seniors prom. Your teachers and I are all amazed to see you in your very best attire in this memorable night. The girls are all beautiful and the boys are all handsome. How you are transformed into a fine, full-grown men and women. With the holding of the JS prom, we are paving the way for your coming into polite society to experience the first time to wear a formal attire, wearing gowns and high-heeled shoes and having makeup for the ladies, while the boys are wearing coat and tie. It is also the first time for the formal dinner with us, with your teachers, administrators, and PTA officers. Tonight, everybody is expected for graciousness and refinement that calls for a fine, full-grown men and women in a formal ambience like this. More importantly, this is the occasion where you have witnessed and became a part of the ceremony of passing of the responsibility by the fourth-year students to the third-year students who will be the fourth-year students next school year to lead and set examples to the lower years. We should be thankful to your parents, led by the PTA officers, for approving your request to hold this JS prom. And of course, you should also be thankful to your section advisors, led by Mrs. Virgie Brito and Mrs. Luz Culata, and to our other teachers as well for making this event possible. Enjoy the night and have a wonderful evening. Thank you.